New Jersey won a landmark ruling from the Supreme Court on Monday, allowing the state to legalize sports betting. The court struck down a federal law that banned gambling on sports games in most of the country. Justices ruled 6-3 on the case. The decision could lead many states to legalize betting on college and professional sports. For more on this, here's Bill Reiter, the host of Reiter's Block on CBS Sports HQ.
Well, congratulations, sports gamblers. The Supreme Court ruled today the Professional and Amateur Sports Protection Act of 1992, better known as PAPSA, is unconstitutional, saying it violated the 10th Amendment. So the short version is, very soon, state by state, state legislatures will be able to decide whether or not they want to embrace gambling, sports gambling, as we've seen it in Nevada, that is to say, one-event gambling opportunities. PAPSA, in effect, banned states from authorizing or licensing sports betting outside of the 4 states that had legalized sports betting before the law was put into place: Nevada, Delaware, Oregon, and Montana. Nevada being the only state where that single game betting was legal. Here's what it means for you as sports fans and for sports leagues. The NBA, the NFL, Major League Baseball have released statements today saying they will cooperate with state legislatures in trying to craft legislation that makes sense for their sports. And every single one of those leagues have said, while their main focus is to protect the integrity of the game. There are certainly concerns from professional sports leagues, from professional sports athletes, general managers and owners, commissioners as well, that we're going to be looking at a situation where the amount of money pouring into multiple states, the gambling effect, could in some way corrupt the sports themselves. While proponents of this decision from the Supreme Court say that gambling is natural, it's a multi-billion-dollar business on the side, it will simply come into the light and make it easier to regulate and to avoid those kind of problems. Either way, it's really good news for those of you, like myself, when we go to Vegas, enjoy putting a little bit of money down on the games. Very soon, you'll be able to do that from whatever states make the decision to allow it. Now, moving on to the NBA, some exciting stuff. LeBron James and the Cavaliers look merely mortal again, getting not beat but crushed by the Boston Celtics in Game 1 of their Eastern Conference Finals on Sunday. It was a beatdown, and Brad Stevens is a genius, the head coach of Boston, but LeBron is still LeBron. This will be a very long series. It'd be a mistake to write him off, just like it's a mistake to look past the fact the Celtics and that incredible regular season defense, the best in the NBA, is anything other than up for the challenge of trying to slow down LeBron James. And tonight's game, the Golden State Warriors against the Houston Rockets, technically the Warriors are the underdogs. They're on the road, but we all know Golden State's won 2 of the last 3 NBA championships. They are a force to be reckoned with. It will be interesting to see and critical for Houston's chances whether their offense, which is very ISO heavy, which relies on a very few passes and a high usage rate from their 2 stars, James Harden and Chris Paul, will translate against this Warriors juggernaut. It's going to be very interesting to see Game 1 and what it says about the rest of the series.
Bill Reiter, thank you. And don't forget, you can watch Bill's show Reiter's Block Monday through Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern on CBS Sports HQ.